Welcome learners. In this video, we will start exercise 14.1 of chapter 14, Exponents and Powers. Question number 1 is, find the value of 2 raised to 7. Here, 2 will be multiplied by 2 7 times. So you can see I have repeated 2 7 times in multiplication. You can solve this question step by step or directly as per your convenience. If you want to multiply all the numbers once and you need to write simply the answer once, you can do that also, or you can do it step by step like I have done this in this box. So first 2 2's will be multiplied, 2 2's are 4, rest 5 2's will be repeated in the next step as it is. 4 2's are 8, rest 2's are repeated, 8 2's are 16, rest 2's are repeated, 16 2's are 32, rest 2's are repeated, 32 2's are 64, and 64 2's are 128. So for the rest of the parts also, as per your convenience, you can do it step by step or directly. I have done it directly in the rest of the parts. Part 2 is 9 raised to 4. Here 9 will be repeated 4 times in multiplication. 9 9's are 81, 9 9's are 81, 81 into 81, 6,561. Try to solve part 3, that is 12 raised to 2. Part 4, 6 raised to 4. 6 raised to 4 means 6 will be repeated 4 times with multiplication sign. You'll get the answer on multiplication as 4096. Part 8 is, fifth is 8 raised to 3. 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8's are 64, 64 8's are 512. Part 6, do pay attention for this part. Here, 10 has a power of 4. You'll multiply 10 with 10 4 times. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. You'll get the answer as 10,000. Or a short trick for the powers of 10. अगर हमारा बेस 10 है और कोई पावर 1 है उसका, तो उसके लिए एक शॉर्ट ट्रिक ये है कि आप 1 लिखिए और जितना पावर है, लाइकवाइज यहाँ पर 4 पावर है, 4 टाइम्स आप 0 उसके आगे लिख दीजिए. Repeat zeros that many times as there is a power. So you can apply this short trick for part 8, that is 10 raised to 3. यहाँ पर पावर 3 दी हुई है, that means हमें 3 0 ऐड करने होंगे in front of 1. Append 3 zeros in front of 1. Your answer will be 1000. That means 1000. Part 7. 7 raised to 3. 7 raised to 3, 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7's are 49, 49 7's are 343. Question number 2 is, express the following in exponent. हमें ये देखना है कि कौन सा नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है, that will act as the base. जितने टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहा है उसको हम पावर में लिख देंगे. Here you can see 7 is repeated. So 7 will be the base. 7 is repeated 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Write 5 in the power. So your exponent form is 7 raised to 5. In second part, you have x in the repetition. So x will be the base. X is repeated 3 times. So x raised to 3. In part 3, 3 as well as 5 are repeated. So 3 into 3, you can see 3 is repeated 2 times. I will write 3 raised to 2. 5 is repeated 3 times. So multiplied by 5 raised to 3. Part 4. It consists of A, B, C and D. A is repeated 2 times. You'll have A raised to 2. B is repeated 2 times multiplied by B raised to 2. C is repeated 2 times multiplied by C raised to 2. D is written once, so you can write it as D or D raised to 1. Try to solve part 6th, 7th and 8th. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.